Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if you can't hear calls on your Android phone. The first thing we're going to do is to test the volume buttons. Press the volume up button and you can see the volume slider goes all the way to the top. If that doesn't work, you can also swipe down from the top right. Swipe down again, and there is that same volume slider. If that is all the way down, take your finger and swipe it all the way up. Next, let's get into your settings to check things. Tap on the gear icon at the top to get to your settings, or swipe up and find the Settings app. From here, tap on Connections at the top. Tap on Bluetooth, that second option, and make sure your phone is not connected to a Bluetooth network. You can also just opt to turn this off just to be sure. Next, we're going to tap the back arrow at the top left, and then tap the back arrow again at the top left. Swipe down until you get to Modes and Routines. Tap on Modes and Routines. And you can see if there are any modes turned on, like your sleep mode. If this is turned on, this will prevent your phone from having sound or ringing, and it could cause issues. Turn this off by just tapping Turn Off. Tap the back arrow and the back arrow again. Tap on Sounds and Vibration midway down. You can see currently mine is set to vibrate. Tap on Sound instead of Vibrate or Mute. And you can see here is the volume option. Tap on Volume midway down. Make sure ringtone volume is all the way up, but also system volume is all the way up, as well as media volume all the way up, and notifications all the way up. Now, let's hop out of your settings. If this doesn't fix it for you, let's restart your phone. To do that, we're going to do a force restart. We're going to press and hold the power button and the volume up button. Again, press and hold the power button and the volume up button. As you press and hold the power button and the volume up button, you're just going to continue to hold it until it will prompt you and essentially force restart your phone. If this doesn't work on your phone, it works on a lot of phones. You can alternatively just press the power button and then turn off your phone, or press and hold on it to completely turn it off and then reboot your phone. That should fix the volume issue and you should be able to hear any calls. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and I'll catch you on the next one.